Hello everyone! Welcome back to a brand new video. So in today's time, emotional storytelling videos are becoming extremely viral. You must have seen channels like Rada Hub. If we take a look at this channel, it has gained around 87,000 subscribers with just 7 videos uploaded. And if we check the views on these videos, most of them have received hundreds of thousands and even millions of views. With only 7 videos uploaded, this channel has already been monetized. You can even see the join button available on the channel. Similarly, there is another channel called AI Dada Stories. This channel has uploaded only 5 videos so far, and with just those 5 videos, it has already crossed 12,000 subscribers. If we look at the channel creation date, it was created on 7th May 2026. So imagine, in such a short time, and with only 5 videos, it has managed to gain more than 12,000 subscribers. So from these examples, you can clearly understand that this niche is currently trending and has huge potential. Now, without wasting any time, let's directly move to the process of generating these AI emotional storytelling video scripts. For that, you will need the master prompt, which we will provide completely free of cost in the description as well as inside our Telegram channel. One important thing to keep in mind is that the prompt file will be password protected. I can mention the password anywhere in this video, so make sure you listen carefully till the end. Once you open the prompt file, carefully copy the entire prompt because it is quite long. After copying the prompt, come to ChatGPT and simply paste the complete prompt and send it. As soon as you send the prompt, ChatGPT will ask you to provide 1 to 3 sample scripts from the same storytelling style. To get those sample scripts, we will go back to YouTube and select any video from the channel we want to analyze. Open that video and copy its link. Now visit the transcript website. Using this website, you can generate unlimited transcripts for free. Simply paste your YouTube video link there and click on Get Free Transcript. Within a few moments, the transcript of the video will be generated. One important thing to note is that if the timestamp option is enabled, you will see timestamps appearing throughout the transcript. Make sure that option is turned off. Once the timestamps are disabled, simply copy the entire transcript. Now, go back to ChatGPT and provide that transcript. The moment ChatGPT receives the transcript, it will start analyzing the entire story. After completing the analysis, it will generate 10 new story ideas that are written at the same quality level and storytelling style. Along with that, it will also tell you the emotional triggers used in the stories. It will even provide a virality score and retention score for every idea. You can see scores like 9.8, 9.6, 10, 9.5, and so on. From those 10 ideas, I would recommend choosing one of the top 2 or top 3 ideas. If you don't like any of the ideas provided, you can simply ask ChatGPT to generate 5 or 10 more ideas, and it will instantly give you additional options. For this tutorial, we will proceed with the first topic. So simply type 1 and send it. Once you select the topic, ChatGPT will generate the complete narration and voiceover script for you. You can see that it creates a detailed script for every individual scene. After generating the script, it will ask whether you would like to proceed to image generation and video generation. But before moving there, let me first show you how to generate the voiceover. Since our script is now ready, we can use it to create the voiceover. For that, we will go to 11 Labs. Once inside 11 Labs, navigate to the text-to-speech section. Now select the voice model. The voice model used by channels like Rada Hub is called Raunak M. More specifically, it is the viral and relatable real voice. So simply click on that voice model and select it. After selecting it, you will see the voice name displayed. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy the dialogue from Scene 1 and paste it into the text box. Then, scroll down, copy the dialogue from Scene 2 and paste it below the first one. Again, scroll further down, copy Scene 3 and paste it as well. Continue this process until all scene dialogues have been pasted into 11 Labs. Now, you might be wondering why we generated the script scene by scene instead of generating one huge script like most tutorial channels show. The reason is very simple. By keeping the script separated into scenes, you always know which voiceover line belongs to which visual scene. For example, if Scene 4 shows Dadaji sitting under a tree and crying, then the specific narration written for Scene 4 can be perfectly matched with that visual. This is exactly why our master prompt is highly detailed. It ensures that everything is already organized and mapped properly for you. To save time, I will fast forward this process. After all the scene dialogues have been pasted, simply click on Generate Speech. After a few moments, the voiceover audio will be generated.
दादाजी जिस चीज को हाथ लगाते वह अचानक गायब हो जाती। पानी का घड़ा उठाया तो घड़ा।
Then simply click on Download. And just like that, your complete voiceover is ready. Now we move to the next step, which is image analysis and visual generation. To begin, simply type Next inside ChatGPT. As soon as you type Next, ChatGPT will ask you to provide 1 to 10 reference images from the original channel. Now go back to the source channel. Open one of the videos and take screenshots from it. After taking the screenshots, make sure to crop them properly. You can take multiple screenshots from different scenes. Usually, 3 screenshots are more than enough. Once you have those screenshots, return to ChatGPT and upload all of them. After the images are uploaded, ChatGPT will analyze the characters, visual style, environment, and overall appearance of the story. Then it will start planning scenes based on those characters. After completing all the planning, ChatGPT will ask whether it should start generating prompts. Simply reply, "Yes, generate prompts in English." The moment you do that, ChatGPT will begin generating image prompts and video prompts for every scene. You will see a Scene 1 image prompt and a Scene 1 video prompt, then a Scene 2 image prompt and Scene 2 video prompt, then Scene 3 image prompt and Scene 3 video prompt. After Scene 3, it will pause and ask you to reply with Next for the next batch. Simply keep typing Next whenever required until prompts for all scenes have been generated. Once all image prompts and video prompts are ready, we can move on to visual generation. For image generation, I will provide you with a sample Dadaji image in the description. We will use that image as the reference character for all scenes. For image generation, we will use Google Flow. Open Google Flow and click on New Project. Inside the settings, select Image Mode. Set outputs per prompt to 1. For YouTube Shorts, set the aspect ratio to 9:16. For this tutorial demonstration, however, I will use 16:9. Then select the Nano Banana Pro model. The best thing is that this process uses 0 credits. Now, for Scene 1 image generation, click on Add Media and upload the Dadaji reference image. Once the reference image is uploaded, go back to ChatGPT. Copy the Scene 1 image prompt. Paste that prompt into Google Flow and click Generate. After a short wait, your image will be ready. Repeat the exact same process for all remaining scenes. I don't want to waste your time showing the same process repeatedly. After the image is generated, you can simply download the free 2K upscaled version. Once all images have been generated, we can move on to video generation. For video generation, you can use any AI tool you prefer. If you are looking for free options for vertical short-form content, you can use YouTube Create or even Meta AI. However, for this tutorial, we are going to use Google Flow. Inside Google Flow, open Project Settings and switch from Image Mode to Video Mode. Select Frames Mode. For this tutorial, we will keep the aspect ratio at 16:9. If you are creating shorts, you can switch it to 9:16. For the model, keep Google VO 3.1. Fast selected. If you prefer, you can also use OmniFlash. OmniFlash is another good option because it generates 1/0-second videos using only 15 credits. So that is also a solid choice. But for now, I will continue using Google VO 3.1 Fast. Inside the starting frame section, upload the image generated for Scene 1. Now return to ChatGPT. Copy the complete video prompt for Scene 1. Paste the entire prompt into Google Flow. Then click Generate. After a short wait, your video clip will be ready. Using the exact same method, generate video clips for all remaining scenes. After all scene videos are generated, import them into any video editing software. Arrange the clips scene by scene in the correct order. Then add your generated voiceover on top of the visuals. And just like that, your complete emotional storytelling video will be ready. Now, regarding the password for the master prompt file, the password is 69. I will repeat it once again. 69. Thank you so much for watching this video.
दादाजी जिस चीज को हाथ लगाते वह अचानक गायब हो जाती। पानी का घड़ा उठाया तो घड़ा हवा में गायब हो गया। गांव वाले डर गए। सभी कहने लगे कि दादाजी मनहूस हैं। कोई उन्हें अपने घर के पास भी नहीं आने देता था। एक दिन मुखिया ने पूरे गांव के सामने चिल्लाकर कहा, इन्हें गांव से बाहर निकाल दो। सबसे ज्यादा दुख तब हुआ जब उनके अपने बेटे ने घर का दरवाजा बंद कर दिया। दादाजी की आंखों में आंसू आ गए। बिना कुछ कहे वे गांव छोड़कर जंगल की ओर चल पड़े। जंगल में घंटों भटकने के बाद दादाजी एक पुराने बरगद के नीचे बैठकर रोने लगे। तभी एक चमकदार साधु उनके सामने प्रकट हुए।